I want to quickly show you a really awesome sounding chord progression using this really simple but cool chord idea that you can use when you're making your own chord progressions for jamming with or for writing your own songs. Now, you can make great sounding chord progressions using just the basic simple chords that you learn as a beginner. So even if you've just started to play guitar, you can use this idea. Let's take this E major chord shape, and we're just going to move the shape down the fretboard, and what we're doing is we're listening for places you can play this chord that sound really good, like this one. So this one where my first finger's on the 6th fret and these two fingers are on the 7th fret sounds really good. I'm going to keep going. And this one sounds really good as well, so 8th fret and 9th fret. And I don't need to worry about the names of these chords for now. I'm just going to play around with these positions, and I'm going to play you what I've come up with a backing track that you can have for free that comes with the tabs and the chord charts too. Just go to the link in the post or in the description box if you're watching this on YouTube, and I just want you to try it for yourself. This idea is simple. Just take any open chord shapes that you know and play around with whereabouts you play them, and use your ears to find where you think they sound good, and just have some fun making some music. So here it is. Any questions, feel free to leave a comment or join us on the next live stream on YouTube where I'll be going over this concept in a bit more detail.